Most drivers perceive their car battery as a benign box, a necessary component providing starting power. They connect jumper cables without hesitation, replace it with minimal thought, and rarely consider the intricate electrochemistry within. This perception, however, masks a series of significant dangers, often overlooked, that can lead to severe injury or equipment failure. The rules governing safe interaction with these power sources are frequently ignored, transforming an everyday automotive item into a genuine hazard. This seemingly dormant component is, in fact, a miniature chemical reactor storing significant electrical potential. Its construction involves lead plates immersed in a sulfuric acid solution, producing 12 volts of direct current. The combination of highly corrosive chemicals, explosive gases, and immense electrical current capacity creates a complex risk profile that demands strict adherence to safety protocols. Failing to acknowledge these inherent properties leads directly to the 5 critical dangers many individuals unwittingly ignore. The first hidden danger stems from the electrolyte itself, sulfuric acid. This highly corrosive substance, typically a 30 to 50% solution, is capable of causing severe chemical burns on contact with skin, eyes, or mucous membranes. It dissolves most organic materials and rapidly corrodes metals. A seemingly minor leak or spill during handling can result in irreversible tissue damage, illustrating a fundamental rule: direct contact with battery fluid is always hazardous. The corrosive action of sulfuric acid is not limited to biological tissue. It can damage vehicle paint, wiring harnesses, and chassis components, leading to structural integrity issues or electrical malfunctions over time. The reaction with metals generates hydrogen gas, further exacerbating other risks. Any interaction with the battery requires appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, to mitigate exposure. The second danger arises from the production of explosive hydrogen gas. During charging, or even normal operation, lead-acid batteries electrolyze water, releasing hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is highly flammable and, when mixed with air in concentrations as low as 4%, forms a highly explosive mixture. This invisible gas accumulates in poorly ventilated areas, such as enclosed garages or directly above the battery itself, creating a substantial ignition risk. A small spark, generated by connecting jumper cables incorrectly, short-circuiting terminals with a tool, or even static electricity, can ignite this accumulated hydrogen, causing a battery explosion. Such an event can propel battery fragments, acid, and molten lead with considerable force, leading to severe physical trauma, chemical burns, and shrapnel injuries. The rule here is clear: ensure adequate ventilation and eliminate all ignition sources near a battery. The third critical danger involves electrical short circuits and arc flash incidents. While a typical car battery operates at only 12 volts, its cold cranking amperage CCA rating can exceed 1000 amperes. This immense current capacity, if shorted, can generate instantaneous heat, capable of melting wrenches, vaporizing battery terminals, and initiating fires. The low voltage often misleads individuals into underestimating the current's destructive power. A short circuit often bypasses typical circuit protection, delivering maximum current directly. This uncontrolled energy release can cause severe electrical burns, both from direct contact with molten metal or superheated tools, and from the intense radiant heat of an arc flash. This phenomenon generates temperatures comparable to the surface of the sun, causing catastrophic damage to anything in its immediate vicinity. The critical rule: always disconnect the negative terminal first and reconnect it last to prevent inadvertent grounding and shorting. The fourth overlooked danger relates to environmental contamination due to improper disposal. Car batteries contain lead, a heavy metal, classified as a neurotoxin, and sulfuric acid, a corrosive chemical. Discarding batteries in regular landfills allows these substances to leach into the soil and groundwater, contaminating ecosystems, and posing long-term health risks to humans and wildlife. Lead poisoning can affect neurological development and various organ systems. Regulations mandate proper recycling for lead-acid batteries, ensuring that lead and acid are recovered and processed safely. Ignoring these rules not only harms the environment but can also result in significant fines. Responsible battery management involves returning old batteries to authorized recycling centers or retailers, preventing the release of hazardous materials into the environment. The fifth significant danger involves improper charging protocols, specifically overcharging. Applying excessive voltage or current to a lead-acid battery causes over-electrolysis of water, generating an increased volume of hydrogen gas, further increasing explosion risk. More critically, overcharging elevates the battery's internal temperature, leading to thermal runaway. Thermal runaway occurs when increased temperature accelerates the chemical reactions within the battery, generating more heat, which further accelerates reactions. This positive feedback loop can lead to boiling electrolyte, bulging cases, and potential rupture or explosion. Persistent overcharging also degrades internal plate structures, reducing battery lifespan and reliability. Adherence to manufacturer-specified charging voltages and currents is paramount. Beyond these 5 specific dangers, ignoring basic maintenance principles contributes to premature battery failure, which can indirectly lead to these hazards. Corroded terminals increase resistance, leading to excessive heat. Loose connections can generate sparks. A thorough understanding of battery chemistry and electrical principles is not merely academic, it is foundational for safe operation and longevity. Mitigating these risks requires adherence to established safety practices, where appropriate personal protective equipment, ensure adequate ventilation, use insulated tools, never short-circuit terminals, always connect jumper cables in the correct sequence, and dispose of old batteries responsibly. These are not merely guidelines, they are critical safeguards against serious injury and damage. Understanding these hidden dangers transforms a casual interaction with your car battery into a deliberate, safe procedure. For more detailed insights into automotive systems and critical safety protocols, consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this information to promote widespread awareness.